Good morning. It is Monday, April 18th. I just left the Cosby Knob shelter. It's, guess what, raining. Go figure, yay Smokies. The trail, let's turn this around, is basically just a river. My feet are soaked. We have 10 miles today, or like 10 and a half, and we're going to Standing Bear because it's supposed to get into the 20s tonight. So yeah, we're getting a warm bed. And then, but it's going to be slow going because we've got like 4,000 feet descent on a trail that's a river. So I probably won't film much today just because I gotta be safe so I don't hurt myself. But yeah, this is gonna be fun. But at least my tent's dry because we stayed in the shelter last night. It's a neat stone wall. So much green now. And all the birds are out. Alright, I've officially made it through the Smoky Mountains. Hopefully they can read my permit because it's a little beat up. It got wet the other day. Oh, see? It doesn't even matter. I don't even know why we have to fill those out. So pretty. Alright, just got Trail Magic from Smokey Bear. Banana chips and a Coke or a Pepsi. Onward. Hopefully I can get us a bed at Standing Bear. But he thinks it's only going to be 35 tonight, so that's very exciting. Because that's better than 25. across the bridge. The AT trail. There's another marker over there. So pretty. Not good when you have to pee. Hey Tug, bring your raft, man. Just walking along the road. Normal things, normal things. We're going under this bridge. Ew. Standing Bear Farm, thank goodness. Hopefully they have a bed. Alright, so beggars can't be choosers. Me and Speedway got the last room. Our sheets are wet, so I'm not sure what that means. Shower house at Standing Bear. There's also this kind of outdoor one. Oh, I just realized that it has AT. Pretty cool. Washing my socks at the Standing Bear Farm. Mom, you should be so proud.
Harvest of a life we've been living off the land. Slipping by rivers we've been drinking from our hands. As careless as kings with no caravan. Keep what we carry and leave what we can. 'Cause it all comes and goes, so they say. 'Cause it all comes and goes. Roads we left behind, roads to the pines, for the killing and the fire. We walked into the night, following under the stars. Compass is already ours for the footprints in the sand. We traveled across the land and something inside of me knows. The further we head, the farther we go, the closer the call to home. Inside of me knows. Older we get, the farther we go, the closer we come to home. Inside of me knows. Older we get, the farther we go, the pieces in our eyes, the red dust on our clothes. We're abandoned men, scared and proud, waiting for heaven to send us a cloud. Pitching the tents, tearing them down, and waiting for shade to cover the ground. And we walk through the night, sleep in the day, carry a lantern to light in the way. Head of the heart, part of the pack, bleeds in chains and leaves no scars. We are hungry and alive. We are hands, we are eyes. We are slaves in a way to the captions and tyrants and umbrellas of change. Mothers and fathers keep raising the gates for the sons and the daughters who belong in this place. listen to tales. We tell them tomorrow. We carry our bags with fortune and sorrow in the coming of age. The pillars of change, mothers and fathers keep raising the gates. We belong in this place. Cause it all comes and goes.